Hi, I'm Kaustubh Khade and I am a kayaker. I've represented India at two Asian Championships and I've won two silver medals and one bronze medal for the country. I think kayaking in itself is pure freedom because you suddenly are in charge of your own vessel and you dictate where you want to go, what you want to do, how fast you want to do it. It really lets you explore the unexplored. And out there, when you're about 3 kilometers out at sea and you see the coastline from like a distance, and all of a sudden you're so far out and you spot like a school of dolphins, or on the other hand, like see a deadly sea snake. So it's just the kind of like rush that you get by just being out there just by yourself and being totally in charge of what you're doing. Kayaking in India is still a niche sport. So in that sense, we need to grow the sport, and the first step to that is awareness. In order to do that, I set up and executed an expedition where I kayaked solo from Bombay to Goa. So I covered about 413 kilometers over a period of 17 days. In itself, it was like a lovely expedition because I was kayaking about 5 to 6 hours a day, and I'd cover anywhere between 25 kilometers to 35 kilometers depending on the weather conditions. For people to understand what exactly the sport is about, how people go about following the sport, and also most importantly where India stands, what Indians are doing in this sport. That was one of the primary objectives. Did the whole expedition in support of an NGO called Magic Bus, and I successfully raised and donated 67,000 rupees to Magic Bus this year. Adventure for me is exploring the unexplored, a mix of both the risks that you take and you trade it off with finding something that you didn't know existed. I think kayaking allows me that kind of a rush, just that kind of unbelievable experiences that sum up adventure for me. If there's one thing I'd like, it's for people to go out there and experience it for themselves, because in itself India is surrounded by water, and the minute you get out there and you're in the elements, I think it'll appeal to like a side of you that maybe even you don't know exists. Come out of your self-made comfort zone and go try something new, and I think the results will truly shock and awe you.